Welcome to
Yoda. The chat's leaked, man. We know you were talking to a 12-year-old child. Yoda, we know. Yoda, we know you were talking to a 12-year-old man.
What the fuck?
It's not good for your career.
How did this? How did this turn into a fucking Fred catch?
Welcome back to Catch a Predator.
I'm
Chris Hansen.
You cannot find me.
I'm also Chris Hansen.
Look at this little fucking weird motherfucker under the stairs!
What the fuck? This guy's gonna touch a 12-year-old boy!
Alright, you guys ready to get fucked? Cause I'm gonna win this time.
Yo, I got stuck.
I'm
Literally immediately.
What do you mean?
Wait, this time.
Of course I've played these games before.
I've played these games before. I've played these games before.
Yeah.
Before I play games.
I said I've played these games before.
Before I play games, have I?
You play games with kids, huh, Yoda?
Dude, you're gonna drop all your studs. You're dropping all your studs.
Play with kids, I do.
Shut.
Play with,
Alright,
wait,
we're gonna
what?
start, bro. Yes! Yes! Wait. Yeah! I fucking won!
Are you serious, man?
What the fuck? Carl?
Hi.
Carl.
Second place, let's go,
I
baby.
got third.
Guys, fucking Carl Weezer is here.
You want a croissant? You want a croissant?
Did you just fucking throw up or some shit? What was that?
I'm
Croissant.
just getting it. Can I play out its misery? It's clearly in misery.
Ah, I see. Is it because you lost your gumballs?
His mom's been playing with his croissant.
Oh.
Bro, why is he... Dude. Carl, you look like you've seen some shit, man, and ate some shit. What happened to you?
He's back from Vietnam. That's clearly what happened.
Tell us your Vietnam story.
How was it like killing the Americans?
The fuck?
Were
Did
they
he
in
do
the
something to
trees?
you, Carl?
He's
Did he touch you?
No, no,
Oh my gosh.
Welcome back to Catch a Predator.
Nine!
I'm Chris Hansen.
This is
No way.
propaganda and
2 in
lies.
1 video.
Yo.
You're cooked, bro.
Albert
Cancel.
Wesker had a downfall. Albert Wesker had a
Cancel.
downfall.
Yeah, I gotta get a Chris Hansen avatar, bro.
Bro dabbled in a different type of science.
Hold on.
Bro dabbled in a different type of science.
This motherfucker!
The name's Bond. PS2 Bond.
Shut the fuck up. Why do you have PS2 Bond?
Out everybody.
You're all fucked. Once I get going, I won't stop.
Listen.
Well, fuck it. You get past me, I'm gonna shoot you in your face.
If I win,
Fuck
I get your toe picks rotten.
Fuck, I forget it's like Mario Kart. Then you'd be holding that button.
Oh, you're fucked now, bitches! You're fucked now, bitches! Yeah! Yeah! Second, bitch! Fuck you! Fuck.
PS2 Bond.
Fuck you, Albert, you little bitch!
Oh, my hands hurt.
PS2 Bond go. Yeah.
You fucking bitches!
Yeah.
I was winning that too until one of you dickheads shot me!
And Albert sniped the fuck out of you, bro.
I
I sniped you from so
I
far.
felt it. I know.
I turned the fuck around and just shot it.
Dude, it almost hit me, you
Whoa.
fucking bitch. I thought
You know
we
what's
were friends.
surprising, Albert?
What?
What?
You sound way older than me.
What the
Depressing.
fuck is that?
What time? What the fuck?
Yo, are you sure you
Ew!
fuck for the tree?
Yo.
The trees.
He does.
He doesn't
you don't
talk.
speak for the
Why am I
trees.
next
You're
to
fucked,
him?
Gumball. You're fucked.
Trees.
I'm winning! Fuck you, James Bond, you bitch. Bitch. Fuck! No! No. No. Are you fucking yoinking my wiener right now? What?
Second place, baby.
The name's Bond. I'm winning Bond.
I got.
Fuck you!
No way.
Ow!
That was
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Mine
Oh,
up.
my face.
Ow!
I feel
fucking
bad.
hurts.
Stop dancing like that!
My face hurts, my body burns.
Away.
Ah!
Are you
Ah!
don't strip for the tree? I think that Lorik strips for the trees. I'm not gonna lie.
I fucking.
Albert, how did you get fourth? Wait, no, no. How did I get fourth? How did you get fifth? How did you get
Third! I was in second!
My hand was cramping.
I'm taking off my goddamn
No, I was
Oh,
second.
No way.
Calm down.
No way. No way. No way. I got fourth and got fifth.
Going to
It's
stand
fucking
up.
That's
burning.
crazy.
You guys looks like some two
Oh.
liptards.
I need a battery. I feel a
No,
lot better.
I'm fucking burned.
Good job.
Fuck
Good
you.
movement. Ah, you suck.
Fuck
Ah,
you.
ah.
Fuck you.
I'm better. No.
Fuck you, a bitch!
Your brother killed it.
My
Your
favorite.
brother killed it.
You're all fucked. You're all fucking.
You sound like Ariel's father.
Why is Mini Lad near me?
Mini lad! The pedo! Oh my god, I'm safe. Catch up! Fuck! No! 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 Yes! Yes! Fuck you, Bond! Fuck you! Ew!
Okay, it's whoever did the fucking skull thing that fucked me over.
Yes! I
Who
won!
did the skull
Oh my
thing?
God.
I'll kill you.
You're so
Look at
lucky.
this.
You're so
The
lucky.
skull thing. It fucking goes to the first person.
Get
fucking
fucked,
takes me out.
Albert! Get
He was right
fucked!
behind me and I was at the finish line and I got hit with the skull thing and he won.
Damn. Oh, I even get that.
Okay, yeah.
Doesn't
You
even-
I
make me
accept
so
that.
mad.
Oh, you're gonna see that in the video,
I
bitch!
lost my
Oh,
second
my
place
hands are
because of you.
cramping.
Fuck you, bitch.
Yeah! Fuck
That's
you!
why a toddler drew your ass.
Alright, bro.
Ow, my body hurts. My hands are cramping.
You don't have to talk about
Albert,
looks
How
now,
do I get
man.
that fast ass boost? How do I get this fast ass boost?
You go at 3. You go at 3.
Yeah, just hold it before it starts or some shit like that.
You go to 3.
Yeah, it is Mario Kart rules.
It is!
Fucking Mario Kart.
Wait, the fucking bitch is in the way! You fucking bitch!
What am I hearing right now?
Yeah, fuck you bitches, I'm in first!
I'm gonna fucking win.
Are you?
I'm gonna win! You dog shit fucker! Mmm. Feeling so good right now. No, fuck you. Fuck! This bitch got. Sup, gun bitch? I'm here! I'm in first now, monkey! Oh, Mr. Vanos. Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Fuck you.
No, fuck you.
Nazuna, fuck you!
No, fuck you.
Oh my god! Eat it, Nazuna. I'm in second. Monkey. Fuck you! Oh my god. Oh. Oh yes. Oh me oh my. Just tickle it. Tickle it, Nazuna. Fucking tickle it. Yeah, tickle it, Nazuna, you monkey. Oh baby. Oh baby girl, I'm coming for you. Ooh, there's no escaping me. I'm gonna nut.
I'm boned.
Fuck you, Bond.
I'm boned. Hey, Bond. It's West.
Fuck you! God damn! Oh. Fuck you, bitch! I had a bubble! Fuck you! No, what is it? What is it? What did you get? What did you get, you little creepy fucker? No, 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 yes! No. Give me a boost, give me a boost, give me a boost. No! 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 Fuck you! Oh my god, what are you?
You got fifth.
Okay. So
You suck!
well, I'm very mature, and I know I'm very mature, and I know it's okay to lose sometimes.
Wrong.
You suck!
Wrong. Female dog. Wrong.
Whoa.
I'd take off my.
Shut up! Shut up!
I'd take off my.
Ugly,
Whoa.
You
ugly.
know how I feel about that? We've played.
You're overweight.
We've played.
Whoa.
These games.
Whoa.
We've played.
We got sexism and weight
That's not
assault.
what I meant.
Oh yes, this is great.
You know what? You know what? You know what? Yeah, we've played these games before. You haven't.
mean,
You played these games.
My hands are sweaty. I'm tired. I'm tired. My hands.
Oh, you're a sweaty bitch, huh?
Are heavy.
Arms are heavy. What did you? What did you
I'm so confused. I'm so
He's black
confused.
suit him already.
How do I go fast?
Go, go, go.
Start.
Accelerate, accelerate.
Oh yeah!
I'm so cool.
You're so lame, you bozo. You bad virgin bitch! I saw that. Fuck you!
It wasn't me. Listen, Ryan. I'll be friends with you, bro. I'll take second as long as you go first.
Fuck you! Fuck you, Yoda, you old bitch! Who the fuck jumped the egg on me?
Yoda, you thief! You fucking old ass bitch thief!
I will not lose to that woman.
Yeah.
You might, honestly.
Fuck you! Women inferior, men superior! I am gonna get canceled for saying that. Fuck,
Oh my god, that was
missed.
right past me.
Albert and the woman is fighting. Fuck! 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 I'm stuck!
Well, you are.
Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
Like that help.
Fuck!
That help.
Fuck!
Like that help though.
Eat it, bitch!
Thank you. You both definitely played these games before.
Oh yeah! Ooh, I am the favorite. I am such the fucking favorite, man. No! How? How the fuck did she get here? Where are you? What happened, Grave? How are you all the way in the back for once? Oh, you dirty bitch. No! 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 Fuck! Dear God, forgive me for I have sinned. Oh God, I fucking love you so much. Oh yeah! Oh fucking yeah! Oh fucking yeah! Fuck! I'm gonna fucking hurt you, Yoda. You old bat! Fuck! shooting me!
Me?
Fuck you! Ooh, just you fucking wait until I get a fucking rocket. Done. Whoa. Yes!
Oh, I got fired.
Aw.
I got fired than I thought. Oh,
Fuck
I'm trying
you!
really hard. Oh, my hands
Jesus
hurt.
Christ.
Fuck your effort! Fuck your effort!
Listen. You know why you can say fuck?
Oh. Cause I'm in third, bitches. And you're in last!
Oh, oh.
Well, you're out of the thing, but I don't know where she went. Yeah, she's right there.
Yeah, but she doesn't, she doesn't,
You know what?
she's hitting the fucking Macarena, man. She doesn't count.
You'll win it next time.
I don't want no. My hands hurt. They're cramping.
I'm trying to play the game, but I can't with
Lotion.
controller.
Lotion.
I'm saying they're cramping. What are you talking about?
Rub some lotion on it.
Court.
Rub some lotion on
Oh, okay, that's fair. That's fair. I'm being honest, that's fair.
I'm just gonna push you off.
Okay with second.
Fuck you.
As long as you get first, I don't care.
it. Oh, I fucked up. Suck a dick, you bitches!
More gas! I'm fucking drinking gas.
God damn it.
More gasoline!
Come here, Yoda, you bitch. Don't hit me, don't hit me.
Get one out.
Yoda, you little bitch. Eat a fucking shit nugget. Eat it, Albert!
My internet!
No! Oh, you're dead. You're fucking dead. You're so dead when I catch you.
Go away.
Ooh, when I catch you. Ooh. Ooh, when I catch you, you're dead. Come here. Ooh, I'm right behind you. I'm gonna get you. Where are you going? Albert, take out the woman. Albert, take out the woman.
That bitch ain't. I don't give two shits. Fuck you. No! Don't fucking play this game before, bitch!
Eat the bitch!
Oh my god. No way.
Oh! Who lived in a pineapple while sucking my D?
He went backwards.
Go on past me, I fucking dare you.
I also have a booster.
No. Eat it, Yoda! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna nut. I will not lose to a woman.
I would.
I know. You're stuck! You're stuck! You're stuck! You're cooked! Oh my god! I refuse to lose to a woman. No!
Am I?
No! No! Yes!
Why are you screaming yes? You're still back there.
I'm in front of you, dingle nut.
Oh, shoot. I got in the mass of that. Oh my gosh. I was in the middle. Oh, that's fair.
Yes! No, no,
Bitch.
no!
Fuck you.
Damn it.
Fuck you, Albert. You missed.
I can't do
Fuck! Yes! I'm gonna beat the woman! Oh! Oh! Fuck you! No! 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 Oh. Oh my god. Bro. I almost
So close.
I almost
Oh,
lost to the woman.
Give me
Oh my god.
You're so close.
Uh,
Listen. You got it.
I'm sorry,
But
hate
yeah,
is a strong word.
gotta
Okay,
get
I'm
first
gonna be
place.
honest, hate is a strong
You
word.
keep
I'll never
getting
say that.
third and fourth. Come on.
Bro, I was getting fucked that whole round by everybody. Everybody was fucking me.
I was targeting you.
I
Targeting
know.
you.
Hey, listen. I didn't hit you once. You know what? Cause you cool. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't hit you.
Punch.
I would.
That's why you're
Yeah,
gonna
I know
fucking
you
lose
would.
again.
Personal, I would.
Would what, huh?
Fuck you, Albert.
Beat him.
Fuck you, bitch.
Fuck you, Yoda.
Yoda, you suck.
Oh, the bitch is mother.
See, that's my first place title.
Yeah, you fucking missed, dingle nut. Oh my god, that was right on your butt cheeks. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. They fucking suck. They missed. You losers. Who the fuck shot a bullet at me? Who the fuck shot me twice?
This is so fun. I'm having a great time.
Oh my fucking... Fuck you, dick face. Oh my god. I'm rocked. Oh, I got a raging boner. Ah! Get the fuck... Get away from me! Are you yoinking? Are you yoinking on it? What are you guys doing?
There you go.
Stop playing tag with it. I wonder who's in last place. Fuck! 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 No, I can't be through. Woo! Stop the Yoda! Fuck you, Yoda! Yeah! Yeah, you almost got fucked, Yoda. Almost got you. Hey, Albert! Hey, you loser! Fuck you!
Jesus fucking Christ, man. Where is she at?
Ooh, look at her.
Here.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I got turned around and lost.
Didn't even
I
finish.
literally
Yeah, I
got
can
turned
tell.
around. It sucked. I'm so upset.
I actually
I'm so
wait.
upset. I'm upset. I'm upset.
Hear me out.
Hear that, but fuck.
I think there's a reason why she's bad at driving.
Hey, Albert! You fucking.
Okay, okay. I'm a man. I'm a femboy. I'm a femboy. I get it.
No. Bye.
Get out! Get out!
This is why this generation is confusing.
I get it, guys.
Does that mean like Am I gay or am I straight?
It was just a
Someone
question.
kill him.
I'm going to get as far away as possible from you guys.
Oh, suck it, bitches!
My gasoline.
I got a raging boner. What?
What item is that? Yoda, stay away from the younglings. Yoda! Stop going towards the younglings. Pull over.
Where do you think Yoda found me from? I was a youngling.
Yoda, you're not gonna get away from touching those younglings.
What?
Whore.
Shoddy
Especially
like a
the blue
melody in my head, but I can't keep on singing like na 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 every day, getting blowjobs from your mom.
We are chilling.
Shoddy like a melody in my head, but I can't keep on singing like na 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 every day. Albert suck on my dick all day. Uh-oh. Get away from me! You, Albert, you... No! No!
No way, you're behind me.
No.
I'm mad for you. Why are you behind me? Okay, now you are. Now you are.
Oh, you bitch. Oh, you bitch. It's over. It's over. Once I get you, I'm gonna put your face in the ground.
Wait, what?
You heard me. Fuck you, Albert, you little bitch!
I did.
Oh, yeah! No. Oh, yeah. These people are fucked. I'm back, bitches! I'm back, bitch. I'm back. And I'm winning this. Gay man! Come here, Yoda! Fuck! No. Fuck you! Fuck you, nerds! You goober life dick sucking bitch! Yes!
Get out of here. I'm not losing to a whore. Boost.
I refuse. I refuse to lose. I refuse to lose! No! Albert, you fucking cunt! You bitch! Albert, you little shit! You fucking bitch! Fuck you!
I'll take a picture of that.
Nah, no, no. This shit never existed. Fuck off! Get out!
All of you.
Out!
No, that.
I lost.
Yep.
I lost.
Yeah, I did.
I lost.
Albert, you cocksucking whore!
You suck at this, you do. You suck, you shall.
Oh, I'm hitting so much.
Alright,
So beautiful.
alright.
I see that.
What else? Worse.
No way.
Sure, little Albert.
Fuck you, I'm a Goomba now. Look over here.
One ugly ass fucking Goomba, I swear.
Just got his hand to his torso.
Oh my god, I have a fucking rock hard PP right now. Just focus up, baby. And no one can tell you who you are, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you all suck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at my sticky nuts. Fuck, someone is behind me, and I don't like that. So get the fuck away, you little bitch. Ah! Yes, sir. These guys don't know the power of my sexy. No one was behind me, but still, don't mind hit somebody. I swear. swear to God, they're all gonna launch fucking torpedoes and shit at me. Fuck. How? How the fuck did that hit me? I swear to God. Yoda, you old bastard! After this race, I'm probably gonna end the recording. Fuck. Fuck you guys! Go in front of me, I dare you.
Yes.
Oh, fuck you, Yoda, you old bastard. What the fuck did you just say to me, Yoda? Bro, what? Yoda, you need to go to prison, man. Who's singing fucking Snoop Dogg back there? I'll break your little knees! Okay, now listen, whoever the fuck is behind me, please, I am begging you, don't fuck me in the ass. Oh fuck, it's Yoda, isn't it? Oh no. Fuck! You old sack of shit! No! Please. Fuck you! No! No. Fuck. Alright. Ah man. Alright, I think I'm gonna end the recording now. I need someone give me a good outro that won't get me canceled. Okay. Alright, give me something good. Alright, something else.
Heart attack I'm having.
Oh my God.
See you later.